point-to-point protocol. Point-to-point protocol is there are connectivity two and more devices, or they are connected with only standalone computers. Point-to-point is the generally default access protocol window. Most of commonly protocol dark link layer. Point-to-point protocol here is that everyone will be client, everyone will be server. When send data one computer to other computers, when sent, this is also be request to other computers. This is a client. When receive those computer, that is the server. Again, other computers send data to other computers, that also is server and client. One computer can be client and then other computer be server. Client server data exchange between with point to point. Here is the point in a usual content field protocol 1 bytes. Every point is the flag is the 1 bytes. There are IP address, first part of 1 byte, second part is that 1 byte, third byte is the 1 bytes, then third point 1 2 bytes variable data, and that also be connectivity. Flag bit is the frame of the similar HDC frame. Always begins with the end and starts with the HDCL flag. It always value is 1 bytes. Flag is the 1 bytes, like 0 1 1 1. Address fields like 1 1 1 some binary. Control fields like 0 0 some binary. Protocol field is that like 2 bytes. Data field usually also upper layer, they have the network layer, and this also uses 16 bit 32 bits TCP. The address control protocol informs the character of address or control handling errors. Then port address translation. Port, this is also we translate on here is the language translate convert to according to language different. Here is that address translation convert translate into binary language. Port address translation is that convert on different port and devices. There are different port have different address. So processor cannot understand different language, that port number system. Port address translation is convert to different transmission to a port address transmission is the port convert to language. And IP4 and more the permanent solution implementation. And Ethernet switch. Ethernet is the LAN area networking. Connectivity one and more devices. Here is that Ethernet. Here is connected 1 device, 2 devices, 3 devices. Here printer and all the devices connected through networking router connectivity. Here Ethernet connectivity through hub, some switch band connected. Here a switch connected different devices through LAN area networking. Ethernet technology design a solve problem packet collision share networking having network connect and device follow set of rules. The rule regulation connectivity which is the hub is also be connected more and nodes or devices, but switch also we can switch related with the packet and collision of the networking technology, and also connectivity some criteria if according criteria devices connected in the Ethernet. Ethernet IEEE 3803 stands and multi-access point collision detection. It also transmission what is happened collisions. Endpoint addressing and capability of connectivity one and more through switching. And what is the Ethernet? Ethernet switch is the networking switch type. The networking hardware multi-port, means more than what there are different port. There are printer port, camera port. There are different type of port devices. Computer port are connectivity through use. A switch is a interface between nodes, and there are different port and networking system. Hub also reverse switch is related to some criteria events. Here at the port gate are connected with the front switches and front switches are connectivity there. What is the virtual server is the type of enable server can be created by person physical server, and that's the host point fundamental of the smaller of the word virtual server. And then print server is the application networking device computer that can make of the query of the information available to admission. Here is the print server related with the print of data. That print server, so many printer connected, there have server, and according to server they are connected to each other. And flyover routing means there are also routing connected to the connectivity and resources have different resources on healthy position connected than a VPN. VPN the networking technology created safe and encryption some secure networks such as internet, virtual networking, external networking and publication. Virtual include the idea connectivity risk on a computer and the foundation of current internet connectivity establishment in development. TCP IP and particular VPN. VPN need VPN. Why VPN? Virtual private connectivity. There are upper net are introduced when the computer first computer upper net, there the computer like a VPN. Upper net, then Ethernet 1960 first computer is connected with the upper net. Need VPN connectivity the connected virtual private networking system that also be related virtual more than one computer virtually connected, that is the VPN. VPN again situation where the corporation of situation Washington US office the networking computer 100 computers suppose the branches Mumbai, India, Tokyo, Japan, that is VPR connected in the private networking system which connected more than one computer, and all the 100 computers are officially Washington VPN. There are 100 computers are connected to each other. USA head office connected to Mumbai and office the computer VPN computers. Mumbai also head office internet even across the networking combination. And dynamic host computer protocol and networking protocol use of the use computer smartphone and also big dynamic host configuration of the dynamically configured data and subnet connectivity to each other. And manage to maintain the networking is ensuring configure the networking systems, and DCF play the crucial role of modern and networking simplifying connectivity. DPN stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. In critical DPN mean dynamic host configuration. Mean host are configuration dynamically. Dynamic changeable host every moment, every time changeable host. Host is not permanent every time, every moment. Why they are that? If dynamic host configuration protocol is available, that will also be. It is not possible hacker tracker. It is not possible can be accessed easily. Dynamically changeable the networking. That sometimes the server is present, next time all the server address changeable. Hacker tracker easily not will track your website. And how does it helps managing enterprise automatically set and help you maintain the unique IP address for IP and serving maintain information. Component of DCS maintain DCS include the DCS server, DCS related of the holds IP address and other information related to configuration. DTS client the decided configuration information from the server and mobile laptop and are connected to DTS client. Relay is basically work the communication channel between client and servers. It is of the pools and content IP address process of DTS or range of the address that can be allocated to devices. IP address pools and subnet net within net, that is known subnet. It is simple time or long information received from the valid and case and experience of the loss and the loss. DN server is the provided DN's dominant system information allocation server the IP address. And default gateway is the gateway that connectivity more than one connectivity than a default option is provided information configuration upon such information. Renewal that a requested of the renewal is changeable and fly over the DHCL server can be configured of the two and cells of the provided information configuration event. This will also be dynamic update. This server also configure dynamically the IP address data and audio logging of the DHCL server keep the audio DHCL also IP address networking system. Track tracker. Here is the operation of the system hardware type, hardware length, scope, the transist ID, the number system, client address, client server, the server also gateway, the connectivity of the networking system. So next also we discussion will be a packet. Okay.